Team Bath Drones is the unmanned aircraft systems team at the University of Bath, made up of undergraduate engineering students from aerospace, mechanical, and integrated mechanical and electrical engineering degrees. The team was created in 2014 to enter the IMechE UAS challenge, a competition between university teams to design and manufacture a small drone to perform payload delivery and image recognition missions. We have been very successful in past years at the competition, having won the Design and Innovation Awards multiple times and taken the Grand Champions Award in 2017. Team Bath Drones has a new focus this year, which is delivering a life-saving search and rescue drone to the Search and Rescue Aerial Association in Scotland. They are a team of volunteers working to develop the use of drones for search and rescue in mountainous environments. Our task is to develop a robust aircraft that can withstand the worst weather that Scotland throws at it. We are working hard to test and develop a tilt-rotor aircraft, capable of both vertical flight like a helicopter and fixed-wing flight like a plane. This is a complicated design that will require extensive testing and iterating to perfect it. We aim to have an aircraft delivered to the customer by the summer of 2020, which is capable of meeting all of their mission requirements, which includes locating casualties with a thermal camera whilst covering a large search area. The first major achievement we had was producing our first successful Fibreglass aircraft skin. The satisfaction of seeing what we designed on paper coming to life was amazing. It was also a huge step from designing the aircraft to the actual manufacture of it, and it allowed us to see the scale of what we had produced after all the hard months of our design work. Seeing the drone for the first time definitely helped us focus on the end goal of delivering it to our customer, Sarah. Performing the first wet layup of our aircraft skin was very difficult. We started out as a team by simply helping and shadowing the previous year's team, which is a hard enough task in itself. But then after the handover to the current year's team, we were left responsible for actually doing all the manufacturing ourselves. And so when it came to doing our first layup, we weren't as experienced as we would have liked. The skin came out of a poor finish, and although this set us back a week, we pulled together and spent a long time ensuring the mould was fully prepared, managing to produce one of the best skins the team has ever done. We were looking for fasteners for our drone, as many aspects of it, such as the parachute deployment mechanism and camera system, require small and reliable M2 and M3 screws. Luckily, Accu provide high quality cap head screws in their Pro kits, which prove extremely useful when you need to get hold of a fastener quickly whilst assembling a part. We've also seen that Accu work with many other student teams across the country, which inspired us to also use them, as they are clearly trusted by the engineers in charge of these. The website is also incredibly easy to use, and delivery was also fast, which is critical when you have a given project to complete in a short time frame. Accu's high precision tools were used extensively throughout the assembly of the aircraft. The iFixit kit and the new Pro kit came in very handy when dealing with almost any part on the drone, as the quickly adjustable head allows for fast and reliable assembly. It also saves a lot of space in the lab by having all these small boxes full of everything we could possibly need, rather than hundreds of tools lying around everywhere. A major benefit that helps the team is the access to high quality tools and fasteners on a daily basis. Being able to build parts using such high quality materials really benefits the reliability of the drone, giving us the peace of mind that the aircraft will stay in the air during critical mission scenarios in the Scottish mountains. Public outreach of our project by Accu is also a major benefit of having them on board as a sponsor. We rely heavily on sponsorship for us to be able to complete our project, and so we are really grateful for all the exposure we can get as a team.